Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerry Ellen, if you don't know. And today I'm just doing a little bit of an update video because I haven't been on in a few days, well 5 days or whatever. I did a video just before Easter and figured I'd take Easter weekend and then get back at her. But I wasn't feeling the best. Then I started to feel better. And then I was like, yesterday I was going to do a video, but then our puppy Harrietta, she got sick. So she's at the vet and we're trying to figure out what's going on with her. And I'm just trying to occupy my mind and wanted to update you to have, you know, chit chat, whatever. And yeah, but I have videos planned and I have things planned. This is some gardening things for starting in the house, grow stuff.
Hello neighbors. How's it going?
Casey is here. That's okay. You're not interrupting. You're hanging out with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So got some gardening planned, and Casey is got an interview coming up for another job.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. It sounds good. So he's getting ready for that. We got the kitty cats over here. Let me show you. Kitty cats. Mooney was concerned about Harrietta. And he was checking on her. Weren't you, Mooney? Were you checking on your friend? Yes, you were. And this is Deimos. And Deimos was like, where's Harrietta? Where'd she go? I'd like to know where she went. Somebody tell me where she went. I'll go look for her. But anyway, yeah, they're like teenagers, these guys. They're good kitty cats. They are. They are. And what else? Yeah, Sunday I'm going to grab my coffee and just give me a second. Give me a minute there, would you? So we're just hanging out. I'm waiting for the vet to call.
I've been up since 4:30.
Casey's been up since 4:30. Lots of stuff going on. That's my drawing back there. We've been organizing a lot of stuff because Lucian has a lot of kitchen stuff as me as well. And we've been organizing, so that's the rack over there with some stuff. But I drew this picture. I'm quite the artist. Let me show you. Up at the top, that's Harrietta, and the little lines coming out from her face. That's her barking. And then I have Mooney. He's the smiley one there. And Deimos is the one that's always like, oh, I'm scared. So that's I'll give you a close-up. See? And all that without going to art school. You know? Maybe that should be my channel, teaching people how to draw. So, anywho, I guess having trying to occupy myself, as I said. So what's going on with y'all? How was your Easter? I hope it was good. I hope your days are full of smiles and hugs and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm going to be making a Nova Scotia recipe that involves blueberries because Nova Scotia is the blueberry capital of Canada. So I got to share something that got blueberries in it. And I had some recipes planned for this week. I was going to start them, but everything kind of went to the wayside on me. But that's okay. I could make something different every day, I swear. I got that many recipes. Like, it's going to take me until I'm well into my 90s to do them. So I'll be here for a long time. So I hope that you join the channel. And if you're new to it, Harrietta is my puppy. She is 15-year-old wire fox terrier that we rescued when she was 7 years old because she didn't have such a good life. And we wanted to shower her with love and hugs and kisses. So we adopted her, and actually nobody wanted her. She was like up for adoption, and I was lucky I found her though. Still, she was up for adoption for well over a year because she had a lot of problems and stuff, and people didn't want to deal with the problems. And she ended up because she was mistreated, and she wasn't treated very well, so they didn't want her to be around kids. So my boys were older, and she was never housebroken, but it only took us 2 days to train her. So people didn't want to have accidents all over their house, and they didn't want, things to happen if there was young children around and stuff. But she's been fine. Like, those things didn't seem to come into play. And she was very scared the first year that we got her, because she was scared of Casey and Andrew and Graham, all men. She's scared of baseball hats, scared of sticks, scared of a lot of stuff. She has bad nerves. So she stuck to me like glue, and still does. But she really, really loves the guys and that now. She's very affectionate. She's very loving, and she loves the cats, and she's a very good puppy. She just had a really hard time. So, anywho, that's a bit of background on Harrietta. And I hope that you will enjoy this channel. I have lots of things planned. I want to do gardening, and I didn't share the gift that Graham got me yet, but it's still in the box. Wonder if you can see it. The garage is pretty dark. Anyway, he got me this really killer barbecue. It's got the grills, and then it has like a flat top, and it has like a pizza oven.
Show it.
Yeah, I should show it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the box.
Yeah. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm recording. So anyway, this is what Graham bought me. Look at that. That's the regular grill part. That's the flat top. It has a burner, like I say, and then the pizza oven. So the grill part, you take the flat top off, and you put it on the shelf, and you take this pizza oven and you put it over the flames, and it heats up like a wood-fired pizza oven. It's got stone inside, and it heats up really, really hot. So it's going to make awesome pizzas. It can make a pizza in like 2 to 4 minutes. And yeah, the regular grill and everything. Like, I'm so pumped. I got so many things planned because I love barbecuing. That's why he got me this. It was a big surprise. That was a huge surprise. So I actually have like so many sauces that I want to make, like barbecue sauces that I make, like Carolina type of stuff, Texas, you name it. Like, I'm obsessed sometimes with barbecuing. I never really showed a lot of that here on the channel, but Graham, by May 2-4 weekend, that's our long weekend in Canada, we will have like Graham extended patio part underneath the gazebo or pergola that he built to fit a barbecue, and he wants to extend it a little bit more so that I can have like the barbecue outside of the pergola on some stone, and I can stand inside the pergola, and I'm going to set up cameras and stuff. Anyway, he's got a plan to get that set up. So we'll get that done May 2-4 weekend, and then I can start barbecuing. Graham started back to work, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of news here. Graham started back to work, got a new job, and I don't think he likes it too much. So we'll see how that goes. It's quite the drive for him, and I think that's part of the reason why he doesn't like it. Like, spends 4 hours of his day just driving to and from work. So anyway, there's that. And I am very thankful for you all. Like, I can't believe like the love and support. You guys are phenomenal. And my friend Emily here she emailed me some pictures of some stuff she made from the channel, and my God, it looked wonderful. And it just warmed my heart. And, and then I have like Ron, Terry, and so many others, and like Linda and Belinda and Rhonda, and the list goes on and on and on and on. And I don't want to start naming, because then if I miss somebody, I'll feel really bad. And even though I just named a few, but anywho, it's my nerves today. It's my nerves. Casey has been drawing pictures with pastels, and they're phenomenal. Like, he doesn't draw like his mother. He's very good at it. So anyway, that's my update. I would walk you around the yard and show some stuff out there, but that needs to be cleaned up. I got to rake Andrew's garden. And Casey and Lucian and myself are going to extend the garden a little bit, because Andrew's got some big plants in there. Like, for those of you who don't know, it's a memorial garden for my son. And Casey helped put it together. He did most of the work at helping me get that put together. But it's needs to be kind of spread out a bit more. And then we're going to be planting lots of vegetables and things like that. Lots of barbecuing. I was doing some grocery haul videos. I haven't done a few in the last couple of weeks because I actually didn't really get anything. We were using up some things that in our house, and so I was only buying like a little bit of fresh stuff or whatever because we've been using up some stuff in our freezer and things like that because I want to get the freezer nice and low because I need to clean it out. Anywho, I'm blabbling here, Jerry the Rambler. So, peace, love, God bless. I'll be back in a couple of days. I'll give you an update with Harrietta, how she's doing, though, how, you know, when I come back in a couple of days with the food video. And definitely on Sunday, I'll be doing my blueberry recipe for you all. And, yeah, that's about it. That's about it, thing. Anyway, I love you all. Please come back again. Like, share, subscribe, and all that great stuff. Bye.